Okay, I'm really feeling this. Flat twist out. Of course, I use my Rejuvenique Oil and the Monat Studio One Curl Cream. Yeah, it looks pretty freaking bomb. I'm impressed. So to achieve this look, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair using the Super Nourish Oil Cream Shampoo, and I followed up with a Super Moisture Mask and left it on for about 15 minutes just so that I can get some extra nourishment. And I am in love with the results. Right here, I'm taking the Rejuvenique Oil just to kind of do some of the mask work for it and just hydrate my ends as well as maintain my frizz and reduce any flyaways. So definitely pay attention to my ends. Okay guys, so this is the part of my hair that I absolutely hate doing, and that is the detangling process. For one, I don't really like this detangler brush, but I kind of lost my favorite detangler brush in the middle of my move. Don't ask me how because I couldn't tell you, but I just like to try to start to work my way up, and hopefully soon this process gets a lot easier because Monat just released an unknot detangler that works on both dry and wet hair. It has Crotasorb in it and a lot of good other ingredients that I think will definitely help this process to go a lot smoother. So all right, I try to slow it down for you guys so you can see, but I am not the best teacher, and believe it or not, I don't know how to cornrow. So I was really surprised that this style works for me so effectively, but that's why I call it such an easy, low maintenance protective style, because literally all you see me doing right here is just taking those two strands that I started with and adding more hair to it as I go, and I'm just keeping a secure grip on it on my root so that it's staying nice and tight. And then just brushing my hair out as I go down the shaft. I actually used my curl cream on this during this style by Monat, but for some reason did not mention it in this snippet. So yeah, I hope that was decent for you guys, but if not, I have this side to show you as well. So as you can see, I am not the most cautious when it comes to parting and whatnot, but that was just the curl cream. And yep, there we go. So right here, it looks kind of different on this side. Like, I don't know, maybe if it's because it's going so fast, but guys, it's so simple. It's literally just taking those two pieces and just kind of like, you're literally just twisting it to your scalp and then twisting it down. And then the awesome thing about this hairstyle is that even though you might be thinking like, okay, this really isn't that much, it actually is holding your curl very well. As you can see, my hair is already like those twists have already enlarged. I was about to say shrunken. They have not shrunken. They've actually like absorbed the pattern and gotten larger. So that right there in itself already lets me know that they're already starting to form a curl, which is what we're going for. So that's awesome. So in like the kitchen, as you would say, of my hair, I guess that's, well, actually no, the kitchen would be like the nape more so. But this back of my hair right here, it gets very, very thick. So I try to focus my detangling back there. This is honestly though why I hardly do protective styles, because I was just that lazy natural that would throw my hair up into a bun after washing it, because for one, I didn't want to detangle, and y'all see how thick that stuff looks back there. Like, come on, that is the kinkiest. Okay, maybe not the kinkiest, but that's some kinky stuff. And so then I realized that I made that one just a little too loose, so I'm just kind of checking to see which other ones need to be fixed. And instead of taking the entire twist out, I'm just going to start from right here. But as you guys can see, it's already starting to form a wave. So like I said, this style is really simple, really easy. It really does not, I would advise definitely being neat. But if you are not the person to go the extra mile to get really neat, do all the extra parts, and really pay that much attention to detail and care, then this is a good style for you to try as a protective style because it's very pretty and it lasts for a good while. Okay, so the next morning, hey guys, sorry I'm chewing. I was eating a Bowberry biscuit from Bojangles. The joke was too fat, but I just wrapped my hair with a silk scarf, and I'm going to coat my fingers with some Rejuvenique oil. You can use any oil if you like, but this right here is thebomb.com. So I put some oil on my fingertips just to make sure that I can reduce the frizz levels. This is going to prevent my curls from getting frizzy as I take them apart. As well as when I start to fluff my hair out after I've taken them all apart, it's also just going to make sure that it doesn't get too frizzy. So I cannot complete this look without laying my baby hairs with some PH3B mirror reflection Edgeformation. So I'm just using this cute little brush that I got from my local beauty supply store and smoothing out my edges pretty quickly, just because I don't know, I just wanted to, I think, hurry up and take some pictures off camera. But you guys, this is pretty much concluding my look. I hope you all love this video, and most definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Mwah.